अस्सलाम वालेकुम नाजरीन, टाइम्स 24 न्यूज़ में आपका खैर मकदम है। आइए तफसीलात पर नज़र डालते हैं।
From there. What is this? What is this arrangement? So ISRO is different, rocket is different, right? In ISRO, we send a rocket, is it not? So what we send? What we send? This is the satellite, okay? We keep the satellite right over here. And this part is called as a, total arrangement is called as a rocket. Is it not? On the basis of Newton's third law, it works. Okay. So what is Newton's third law? Action equals to minus of reaction. Every action there will be equal and opposite reaction. Is it not? When we burn, what happens? Hot gases will be goes down. Hot gases will be goes down and hit to the ground. In opposite direction, the rocket will be move upward. After traveling some distance, some height, what happened? This part will be removed from this rocket. ఈ పార్ట్ ఏవైతే ఉన్నాయో వేరే అయిపోతుంది. సో వేరే అయినప్పుడు తిరిగి ఎక్కడ పడతాయి? సముద్రంలో. See, these parts will be fall on the sea. So what happened next? The mass of the rocket will be decreases. Mass of the rocket will be decreases. When the mass of the rocket is decreases, velocity of the rocket will be increases. Is it not?
Yes, sir.
So eventually, this total parts will be collapse on the sea. Only this part, only ఇక్కడ పెట్టాం కదా satellite ఇక్కడ ఉంటుంది. అది మాత్రము ఆర్బిట్ కు చేరుకుంటుంది. It reaches to the orbit. Then it start the function. From where? From where? From the earth nearby the Balnagar. Balnagar దగ్గర ఒక earth స్టేషన్ ఉంది. తెలుసా ఇది ఎంత మనకు? తీసుకెళ్లారా ఎప్పుడన్నా? అన్నారు. ఓకే. అన్నారు. బాలనగర్ కన్నా రైట్ సైడ్ రైట్. సో ఆ ప్లేస్ నుంచి ముందు ఆపరేషన్ అక్కడ స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది. ఓకే, దానికి వెలాసిటీ ఇంక్రీజ్ చేయడము. Loudly, no need to tension, okay? Loudly, like me. Avana? So press is there. Then bhaypaduna. You have to speak loudly, okay? Go ahead.
Animal husbandry is the scientific management that it is useful for farmers.
Good.
Agriculture is important for farmers. Farmers can use the agriculture for their business and animal husbandry is needs for quality and all.
Thank you. Water purification. Okay, you are going to be pure the water. Okay, then go ahead. Where is the dirty water right over here? Okay. Okay. We can purify the river water. It has different kind of minerals, mud, something else, right? Okay. So first of all, we inject this water in this bucket. It is filled with what? What does we have? Oh, rock. Okay. Then after that, what is this? Sand. Means the water will come from here to here. Okay. Why you arrange like this? Because the water should go from one place to another place, one bucket to one chamber to another chamber also, right? Because, okay, then go ahead. Okay, like that you purify the water, right?
Excuse me.
Okay.
Right side.
Vagina, gravity, fish.
Okay, you connected with the battery. Okay. So good. You did the connection from that, right?
Yes.
Okay, you didn't took the connection from that, right? Just due to battery, it is
Yes, sir.
rotating, is it not?
Yes.
So it has 220 volts of current. So when you connect that one, what happens? It burns. So less amount of current is carrying. Due to that current, the fan is rotating. Okay. Getting cool. That's okay. Then what about? Good morning. Good morning.
From 9 to 8. Today is Science Day and morning is Science Day. This is gas detector. This is gas sensor, buzzer, touch of the battery, switch. Whenever in our home, teacher the gas is native gas. That smell will capture this sensor and make a sound like an alarm.
Like that. Okay. Friction is needed. Nice. Okay, do once again. Do once again. So wait. Okay, now it is burning, right?
Yes, sir.
Now. Good. Who invented this? Yourself. Combination, right? Very good, very good. Nice.
Excuse me, madam.
You are studying 9th grade, right? Car gaming. Nice, your car is going fast. Go ahead. Without collision, you need to drive the car, okay? Okay. That's good. Okay. Huh? Volcano. Okay. Who is going to be explained about this? Yourself? Okay, introduce yourself first. ఇలా మాట్లాడుతుంది Slowly. It's coming out. Okay, for example, it's coming out. Liquid is coming out, right? That liquid is lava. Okay, if lava is inside this volcano, what we call? Magma. Is it not?
Yes, sir.
Oh, 30 years back I studied.
My name is A.T. I am studying 50 years in National School of Excellence in Shantagar. I am telling about today about science. You can finally say device that generation and less of movement and conservation of energy. Sphere of swimming movement of energy.
Show me. What is transferring? Energy, right? Energy is transferring. Okay, when you are pulling like this direction, okay, it is acting as a simple pendulum, right? And going and hit to the another bar. Okay, the energy is transferring from here to there, right? Is it not? Good, nice. What about you? May I know your name, please? Solar energy and wind energy. That's good.
That help reduce dependence on fossil fuels.
Okay. Will you show that? Is it working? Is it working or not? So, you want to explain anything else? Do you? Please. Speak out.
Agriculture is a major source of operation and significant the Indian economy rice and wheat the major food staples in
In India?
rice cultivators in China dates back in 5,700 BC.
Good. Good. Lungs. Okay, show me the lungs. How lungs are working? Where are the lungs? Okay. Okay. Now show me. Nice. Explain me. Will you explain?
Breathing is the violent process of moving air in and out of the lungs to exchange oxygen and carbon dioxide. Regulated by the diaphragm and movements breathe 25,000 times daily. Transporting
How many times?
25,000 times
Excellent.
daily. Transporting oxygen to blood and removing waste with lungs also. Adapting in speech therapy.
You want to tell about that? Okay. So how does it work? Inside you have the battery, right? Now it is working. Okay. So where is the battery? Inside? Okay, you fix it there, right? At the bottom, right? Okay. So nice. How did you close? With this? Good. Okay, cheapest fan, right? Cheapest fan. How much amount did you invest on? Two? So, yes, sir. Introduce yourself, man. You want to show? Okay, you stop here. You can stop here. Okay, when you stop here, did you hear the sound? So now, listen. I stopped here. నేను ఇక్కడ ఆపేశాను. Sound వినిపిస్తుందా? No. When we displace it, then only you will get the sound, right?
Yes, sir.
Otherwise, you won't hear the sound. అంటే electricity pass అవుతుంది, right? When the electricity is passing through the wire, magnetism will be developed. Okay. Very good. How did you do the connection? Stones.
Actually, he's this one. He's complete.
Don't get the confused. Okay, speak slowly. Powerful magnets. Okay, show me. Spark. Show once again. Do again and again, man.
Continuously. Come on.
Okay, up to evening you have to do like that only. Okay? Next, what about you?
Today I am explaining about car lifting.
I like your confidence. Really, I appreciate you. Now go ahead.
When we go to showroom, we will lift the car.
Oh, nice.
After the repairing, we will down.
Where did you saw this? Do you have a car in your house? Oh,
That's why I done this car.
which grade? Fourth grade. Okay, you are studying fourth grade, right? Okay, go ahead.
Today I am teaching about photosynthesis. How plants make their photosynthesis, which happen in chloroplasts in chlorophyll cells. Plants use sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide. Photosynthesis produces glucose and oxygen. Plants absorb sunlight through chlorophyll light.
Good. Okay. Yes.
Myself and Anita of fourth grade representing Nadia School of Excellence. Today I am saying about eyes and brain. Eyes helps us to see everything around us. The black part in the center is called prism. The eyes blind to keep them clean and moist. Our isolations protect us from the dust. Regular checkups, our eyes keep healthy.
Excellent. I like you. Okay. Very good arrangement. Okay, you did very good arrangement. Okay.
Incoming voice call from Alicia CNR 601.
Speak loudly. Don't take tension, okay? So, nice. Okay. So, wait. It's over. Okay. What do you want to do? Solar system. Okay.
The solar system is composed of the sun, the 8 planets. In the universe, we have 9 planets, but Pluto is new. Now we have 8 planets. In the planet, Mercury is the smallest planet, and Jupiter is the biggest planet. And Mercury is nearest to the sun.
Nearest to the sun. Okay. So, do you know how long does it take Mercury to round about the sun? Do you have? Okay, what is this total arrangement? What is this? Okay, you want to show something else? Okay, show. Okay. Is it working? Okay. It's moving here and there, right? Right and left. You want to say something? Okay. Start. Okay, good.
अब्दुल्ला भाई की रचना है। Go back. Skeleton.
Okay. Which water you'll get here? Okay. Come on, go to the water. Which water it is? Very good. Come on. What do you have here? Stove. Which water? Ready water. From the ready water chamber, we will get in which chamber? Cold chamber. Right? From cold chamber to sand chamber. Very good. Sand chamber to cotton to pure water. Clean water. Right? This is called which? Water purification. Very good. What are these? What is this one in the pulse? Very good. This one? Excellent. What is this one? Oh, excellent. What is this? What is this? What is this? Very good. And what about this one? These are grains. What are they? Grains. What is this? Very good. What is this? Very good. What is this? Corn. Okay, excellent. What is this? Sorghum. Very good. Very good.
Yes.
అందరికీ శుభ మధ్యాహ్నం. ఈరోజు జాతీయ సైన్స్ దినోత్సవాన్ని పురస్కరించుకొని 28వ తారీఖు మా స్కూల్ విద్యార్థులు మ్యాగ్నెట్ స్కూల్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్సలెన్స్ విద్యార్థులు ఈరోజు డిఫరెంట్గా అంటే వివిధ రకాలైన ఎక్స్పెరిమెంట్స్ చేయడం జరిగింది. ఇందులో కొంతమంది రూట్స్ వెజిటబుల్స్, నెక్స్ట్ దాంతోపాటు డిఫరెంట్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ పల్సెస్, దాంతోపాటు వాటర్ ప్యూరిఫికేషన్స్ అని, నెక్స్ట్ బ్రెయిన్కి సంబంధించిన మెటీరియల్స్, దాంతోపాటు హోలోగ్రామ్స్, వోల్కనోస్, బజర్స్ అండ్ యాజ్ వెల్ యాజ్ ఇంకా డిటెక్టర్, గ్యాస్ డిటెక్టర్ దట్ ప్లేడ్ ఏ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ రోల్. చాలా చక్కగా అనిపించింది అది, ఆ గ్యాస్ డిటెక్టర్. అంటే ఇంట్లో మనకు స్మోక్ వస్తే కంప్లీట్గా అది డిటెక్ట్ చేసేసి ఇమ్మీడియట్గా మనకు అలారం రూపంలో మనకు సిగ్నల్ ఇచ్చేస్తుంది. కాబట్టి అలాంటి ఎక్స్పెరిమెంట్స్ కూడా చేయడం జరిగింది. దానితో పాటు ఇంకా కొంతమంది పిల్లలు డార్క్ రూమ్ అంటే డిఫరెంట్గా ఆలోచించి దానికి సంబంధించిన ఒక ప్రాజెక్ట్, ఒక రూమ్ కూడా రెడీ చేయడం జరిగింది. ఇంకా దానితో పాటు కిడ్నీస్ అంటే మన బాడీలో ఉండే డిఫరెంట్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ అవయవాలు లైక్ కన్ను కావచ్చు, లేకపోతే శరీరం చర్మం కావచ్చు, లేదా చెవి, నెక్స్ట్ లంగ్స్, ఇలా డిఫరెంట్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ కూడా చేశారు. నెక్స్ట్ ఫిజిక్స్కి సంబంధించిన మెటీరియల్స్లో న్యూటన్స్ క్రాడల్ అని కూడా చేశారు. దానితో పాటు హైడ్రాలిక్ రోబోటిక్ కూడా చేశారు. ఇలా డిఫరెంట్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్పెరిమెంట్స్ మా పిల్లలు ఈరోజు చేయడం జరిగింది. నిజంగా చాలా హ్యాపీగా ఫీల్ అవుతున్నాం, ఎందుకంటే చిన్న వయసు నుంచే వాళ్ళు ఇన్నోవేషన్స్ అనేవి నేర్చుకుంటున్నారు. వి ఫెల్ట్ వెరీ హ్యాపీ. థ్యాంక్ యూ. ఎందుకంటే ముఖ్యమైన విషయం ఏంటిదంటే ఇందులో ఎలాంటి టీచర్స్ హెల్ప్ లేకుండా వాళ్ళంతకు వాళ్ళే స్వతహాగా ఈ ప్రాజెక్ట్స్ అన్ని కూడా ప్రిపేర్ చేసుకొచ్చారు. ఇది చాలా గర్వించదగ్గ విషయం. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Okay.
Hello, good afternoon. Hello, good afternoon. My name is Mohammad Waji, correspondent of Magnet and Srinarayana Group of Institutions. Today we were conducted our National Science Day. Our National Science Day every year we conducted on 28th Feb. Okay, so in our school today our kids did excellent job. Really, I felt very happy after seeing their experiments in innovative way. Actually, so most of the schools refer that the students should invest a lot of money on the experiments, but in our school I observed that our students they made the experiments with low cost. Okay, that is also very innovative thing, that is very excellent thing. Our students explain about functioning of brain and robotic learning. It means what we are covering from basics to innovative things which are related to AI also. Nowadays AI is playing very important role. Our Magnet School of Excellence is going to be conduct or create the awareness program about the AI in our schools. Thank you so much.
ఈ ప్రోగ్రామ్ చేయడం వల్ల పిల్లలకి
ఓకే, తెలుగులో దాంట్లో కూడా మాట్లాడచ్చు. సో నేషనల్ డే ఏదైతే ఉందో 28th Feb ఎవ్రీ ఇయర్ మనం కండక్ట్ చేస్తున్నాము త్రూఅవుట్ ఇండియా. దానివల్ల మెయిన్ లాభం ఏంటంటే స్టూడెంట్స్కు క్రియేటివిటీ అనేది డెవలప్మెంట్ చేస్తున్నాం. సైన్స్ డే అనేది లేకపోతే ఒకవేళ ఇండియాలో స్టూడెంట్ యొక్క క్రియేటివిటీ అనేది ఫస్ట్ క్లాస్ నుంచి అనేది మనం చూడలేకపోయేవాళ్ళం. ఈ సైన్స్ డే 28th రోజు మనం కండక్ట్ చేయడం వలన స్టూడెంట్ యొక్క నాలెడ్జ్ మనము క్రింది స్థాయి నుంచే పెంపొందిస్తున్నాము. రియల్గా వాళ్ళ ఇన్నోవేటివ్ థింకింగ్ అప్రిషియేటబుల్. రియల్లీ దే ఆర్ డూయింగ్ వెరీ గుడ్ జాబ్. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్.